We're measuring salinities. These are parts of the cores that we cut up on the ice. And on the ice, we transfer the ice core into one of these Ziploc bags and then set it into one of these plastic containers and bring them in and melt them so that we can measure the electrical conductivity. I mean, salinity is defined as the mass of salt per unit volume. So we have a certain volume of melted ice water here, and we want to determine the amount of salt in here. Salinity is routinely measured using conductivity probe or conductivity temperature probe. This is the one that we're using here. You have the actual display here and the actual instrument, and then we have a separate probe that has a little thermometer here at the tip to measure the temperature of the water. And you can see there's a little opening here, and that opening leads to a small volume where we have two electrodes pointing into the volume of water that we're sampling that determine the conductivity, electrolytical conductivity. All we need to do is make sure that our sample that we're measuring is homogeneous and that the probe is fully immersed in the water. So the water actually has to enter into that compartment that contains the two electrodes, and you want to make sure that there's no air bubbles or gas bubbles in there as you're doing that, and then you wait until the reading stabilizes. So we'll just do one sort of measurement as I would do it. So that's the conductivity here, 6.84 millisiemens. Let's go to the salinity. Salinity of 4.1 parts per thousand at 80 to 85.